Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your craft beer bar business. So I'm an owner of a craft beer bar and I receive a lot of inquiries by my customers related to table bookings or the menu or many other detailed queries by my customers on WhatsApp. Now replying to each one of them individually and manually for the common inquiries is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, as soon as now I've created this bot, now whenever I receive any of the queries by the customer on WhatsApp as a message, automatically this bot is going to reply to them. Okay, this bot can send the booking link with the help of which the customer can book a table in my bar. It can share the menu and other details as well. So now if you want to learn how to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, for your business, and you want to see how this works, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to build a smart interactive WhatsApp chatbot for your craft beer bar business using Pabbly Chatflow. So firstly, I'm going to show you how this bot that I've created is actually going to work in real time. So this is the bot right over here, and towards this bot, I'm going to send a message that is going to be, hey, I want to book a table. So I'm going to send this message to this bot right over here. And as soon as I'm going to do that, this bot has replied, hey there, welcome to Hot Nest Brewery where Sips tell story. So firstly, for the name of my customer, let's suppose I'm going to write it as Test right here. Okay, this is the name. As I'm going to send the name, it says nice to meet you Test. It is asking for the email address. So I'm going to write over here as test@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to send this email address to this bot. I've received the image of the bar. You can see right over here. With this, I've received this message over here and the options. I want to see this option, so I'm going to select the button from the message, and automatically this bot is going to reply towards those buttons. Okay, and you can see in this manner this bot is automatically going to reply to all my messages right here. And in this video, we're going to learn the step-by-step process of building this bot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Firstly, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow in a new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow. Then this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow is going to appear in front of you, in which you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, directly sign into your account, but if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm an existing user, so I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can see the all Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right here. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. What is Pabbly Chatflow? It is a tool that helps businesses to manage WhatsApp conversation and send WhatsApp messages effortlessly. In Pabbly Chatflow, to set up your account, go to this Add WhatsApp number, and you have two options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn both of the methods in order to set up your account, you can find the videos in the description box below. Pabbly Chatflow offers multiple features, that is inbox, contact, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want to learn about every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can find all the videos we have added in the description box below. In order to create a bot in our Pabbly Chatflow account, from the left side, go towards the flow section right over here. After coming to the flow builder page, click on this add flow button to create a new bot. Then you can see this flow has been created right here. Firstly, we need to rename the flow. So the name of this flow is going to be WhatsApp chatbot for your craft beer bar business. This is the name that I want to give to my bot. After giving the name, you can see it says flow start. How this flow that we are going to create is going to be triggered. There are three ways: keywords, regex, and choose template. So let's suppose you have added few keywords over here in this field, and a customer sends those keywords as a message. Then this flow is going to be triggered from here. Next is choose template. So let's suppose you have selected a template in this flow start, and you have forwarded that template as a broadcast message to all your customers, and your customer has forwarded a reply towards that template. This flow is going to be then triggered from here. Now we are going to talk about regex. So what is regex? Regex is a short of regular impressions. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match, or filter specific text. Over here, I have a special character that I'm going to enter in this regex field. So as I'm going to enter that character over here, every time I receive any of the messages by my customer on WhatsApp towards my bot, automatically this bot from here is going to be triggered with the help of that special character. So I'm going to enter the special character right here in this field. So this is the special character I have right here, okay? If you want to use the special character for yourself for your flow, you can find it in the description box below. I've added it, okay? Now this is the flow start. After setting up our flow start, now what is the first message I want to ask my customer? I want to collect the data of their name and their email first after I receive their message. So in order to ask the question, from the left side go to actions and you have this ask question field. Drag it and drop it in this field right here. Firstly, I want to collect the data of the name of my customer. So I'm going to add the message as... So this is my first message. Hey there, welcome to Hop Nest Brewery, where every sip tells a story. To get started, may I know your name? Firstly, it is asking for the name. In the message, you can see in front of my business name and in the end of my business name, I have added 2 stars. So for the formatting, to make this text over here bold, you have to add star in front of the sentence and in the end of the sentence. So the text between those stars is going to be formatted as bold, okay? As firstly it is asking for the name, I want to add the data of the name in contact custom field. So contact custom field is an amazing feature by Pabbly Chatflow which helps us to create the record of our customers' custom data. You can create custom fields and add your data over here. I have created a contact custom field for the name of full name right here. So I'm going to select the contact custom field right here. If you want to learn more about contact custom field, you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. Over here you can see I've added the contact custom field as full name. The record of the name is going to be created in this field. For the format of the reply, I'm going to select it as text. Number of attempts is going to be 1 and validation message is going to be error. So what is validation message? So let's suppose towards this message I will receive a response which is not equal to the selected format. They will receive a validation message of error from here, okay? So now this is the first question after the flow start. Now I want to connect this question to the flow start. Simply from this point of flow start, drag it and connect it to this question point. I want to ask the email address of my customer. So I'm going to add another ask question field. And for the message, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message I have for the email address. Great to meet you, $full name. So what is this $full name? I want to add the data of the customer's name that I received in this message after this message over here in this message right here. So over here, as I have added the data of the name in this contact custom field of full name, I want to extract the data from this field and add it in this message. For that, simply add the name of your contact custom field over here, exactly the name, and in front of it add the $sign. The data is going to be extracted from that field, okay? It says, could you please share your email address? Contact custom field is going to be email right here. Format is going to be email address. And for the validation message, I'm going to write it as error with the number of attempts as 1. Okay. So these are the 2 questions that I have to ask to my customers who is asking the query. After collecting these 2 data, what I want is I want to send a message to my customer. Firstly, I want to send them the image of my store. With that, a welcome message and number of options. So as I want to attach the image of the store first, I'm going to drag the point of this question field and drop it. For the content type, I'm going to select it as media right here as I want to attach an image. For the media type, I'm going to select it as image. But if you want to use video, audio, document, you can do that according to your requirement. I'm going to select it as image. It is asking for the media URL. I don't have the URL, so I'm going to directly upload it from here. Click on this button right over here. So this is the beer bar image. I'm going to upload it over here in this field, and automatically within few seconds the image is going to be auto uploaded. Okay, so as the image of my bar over here is uploaded, with that I want to send a welcome message. So I'm going to click on this add content button over here. Content type is going to be text plus button. I want to write the message over here as... So this is the message that I have, that is awesome $full name. I'm going to add the star right here. Awesome $full name is going to be added. You're a part of Hot Nest family. It is asking for me to choose an option below. For adding the options, I'm going to add a button in this message. I want 3 buttons, so I'm going to add 3 of the buttons right here. We need to name all the buttons. So for the name, I'm going to write it as... So these are the 3 buttons: view menu, upcoming events, and leave a feedback. In a message, you can add only maximum number of 3 buttons, okay? So for this first button, that is view a menu, what I want is I want to send them the PDF of a message, and with that PDF, I want to send some specials as a message, and then I want to send them a button with that of book a table as well. So now we're going to do that. I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be media. Media type is is going to be document. I'm going to upload the document directly from here. This is the menu. I'm going to upload it right over here in this field. Automatically the PDF is going to be uploaded. With this PDF, I want to add a content. So I'm going to click on this add content button, select the content type as text plus button. Now I'm going to add the specials over here in this message, which is going to be, so this is the special right over here. Here's our craft beer lined up for today's at Hotness Brewery. These are all the lined up items right over here. With these items, I want to add a button right over here of book a table. So I'm going to do that. So this is the button of book a table, with the help of which a customer can book a table in my business. Okay, I want to add an emoji in front of it. So this is the emoji. Okay, so now for this book a table button, I want to write a message. So simply I'm going to drag this point and drop it in this field. For the choose content type, I'm going to select it as text plus button. And for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message that I have for the book a table. Let's book a table now at Hotness Brewery. If I'm going to scroll down over here, I've attached the link of a form you can see right over here. And using this form, a customer can book a table in my bar. So this is the link I have created right over here. You can see it's a table booking form right over here, with the help of which a customer can book a table in my bar. Okay, so this is the link I've attached in this message right here, and with the help of this link, a customer can book a table. Okay, so as now I've attached a link, a customer might have some doubts, so they want our details as well. For that, I want to add a button over here as well, that is going to be of contact us. Okay, using this button, the customer can have my bar's contacts details like the email address and the phone number. Okay, so I'm going to write the message for the contact us over here. Content type is going to be text plus button, and the message is going to be, so this is the message that I have for contact us. Our team is here to help. The address, phone number and the email. Okay, so this is the contact us message. Now for the contact us, I want to add a button over here as well, that is back to main menu. After coming to this contacts page, I want to send my customer an option for going back to a main menu. The main menu is right here. This is the main menu. So I'm going to connect the back to main menu button to this main menu right over here. Okay, so these are the messages that is going to be forwarded towards my customer with this button, that is view menu. So I'm going to rearrange all the buttons over here, all the messages over here. So after setting up the button for the view menu, next is upcoming events. So I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and the message over here for the upcoming events is going to be, so this is the message that I have with all the upcoming events in it. Okay, now if any of the customer wants to book a table after seeing all the events, so I want to add a button of book a table over here as well. So I'm going to copy this name from here and paste it in this field right over here for this button. And I want to send these same series of messages after this book a table button if they select it. So I'm going to simply connect this book a table button to this book a table message right here. Okay, so these messages are also going to be forwarded with this button book a table. After setting up for the upcoming events, my last is leave a feedback. So for the leave a feedback, I want to ask my customer a question of their experience in my bar. So for asking a question, simply drag this point of ask question, drop it in this field. For the message over here for the feedback, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message for the feedback. Please rate your last visit. Okay, so it is going to collect the data of the feedback, which is going to be saved in the contact custom field of feedback. Okay, format is going to be text, as I'm going to receive any of the text from the customer. Number of attempts is going to be 1. Validation message is going to be error. Okay, so this is the message that is going to be forwarded to my customer with this leave a feedback. Firstly, I'm going to rearrange all the messages from here. So this is my leave a feedback message. So I'm going to connect both of these messages. Okay, after this question is asked, I want to send the customer a message of thanking for the feedback. Okay, if they're going to reply towards the feedback, they should receive a thank you message. For that, simply from this question field, drag it and drop it. Content type is going to be text plus button, and the message over here is, this is the feedback right here. Thank you so much for your feedback, $name. Okay, the name is going to be added. Your thoughts helps us serve better craft, better vibes. And over here, I have provided the 10% off token as well right over here, with the help of which they can have the coupon discounted. Okay, so this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they give a feedback after this question right here. Okay, so this is the entire bot that I've created. I'm going to rearrange the bot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow for my craft beer bar business. Okay, so now to save this bot that I've created, I'm going to click on the save button on the top right corner. It says flow updated successfully. This means now this flow that we have created is saved. So as now we successfully saved this flow right over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this flow whether it's working or not. I'm going to send a WhatsApp message towards this bot with my number. So this is the bot right over here. And let's suppose to this bot over here, I'm going to write it as, hey, I want to see your bars menu. Okay, so I'm going to send this query to this bot and automatically you can see this bot is going to reply to all my messages. Okay. The name is demo. I'm going to send that. For the email address over here, I'm going to write it as, the email is demo@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to send it to this bot. Automatically, this bot has forwarded me the image of the bar. And over here, I want to view the menu. So I'm going to select that option. And you can see this bot is automatically replying to all my messages right over here. This is the menu also you can see right here. Okay. So as this bot is replying to all my messages, this means we have successfully created this bot using Pabbly Chatflow. And that's how you can also build a fully functional WhatsApp chatbot for your craft beer bar business using Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part, you can start building your own chatbot today with 100 free credit points that is going to come into your Pabbly account automatically. So go and start building your test bot using Pabbly Chatflow and make your WhatsApp conversations very smoother. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.